we are starting new chapter, endocrine system. When I was teaching you nervous system, at that time I told you nervous system and endocrine system both work in unison. They both work in combined fashion. Both this system controls major activities or almost all the events occurring in human body. How? We have seen nervous system controls most of the activities by sending signals or by receiving signals from effector organs. We have seen there are three types of effector. Two types of effector organs. One is called muscles. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Another one is glands. Muscles may be smooth, skeletal, and cardiac. Glands means those cells which release something into the blood directly or through some pipes into the blood. So the best example is hormones. Right?
Yes, sir.
If signals are being sent to muscles, muscles will either contract or relax. Generally they contract. Suppose I am doing this way, this is muscle contraction. How I am doing this thing or how these muscles are stretching for speaking because of release of neurotransmitter at synapse. It is called acetylcholine. What is synapse? Synapse means junction between two neurons or junction between one neuron and
Effector organs.
okay. So now today we will see how hormones act. What is the meaning of endocrine system? My question is, I told you before few days, we are calling Dr. Sunil Jain, a speaker in our seminar. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
He is famous
Diabetologist.
of Indore. Can we call him endocrinologist? Dr. Sunil Jain, the famous diabetologist of Indore. Can we call him endocrinologist? The person who treats disorders of endocrine system is called endocrinologist. Suppose a doctor here he treats disorders of thyroid gland or disorders of hormones or diabetes, he is called endocrinologist. This is general terminology.
Logic.
Because diabetes is a disease occurring because of problem in insulin secretion, if it is type 1 diabetes, or because of insulin utilization, if it is type 2 diabetes. So both these are hormone disorder. So the doctor who treats diabetes may be called endocrinologist because the person who treats disorders of hormone is called endocrinologist. The system is endocrine system. So endocrine system consists of those organs which release hormones in the body. Now there are two types of glands. One glands which directly secrete their liquids into the blood. One is they release in the duct. For example, we have seen the juice of stomach, I mean the gastric juice or the juice of pancreas.
Pancreatic juice.
So are these juices हार्मोन? क्या ये जूस हार्मोन है? नहीं। हार्मोन वो होता है केमिकल जिसका डायरेक्टली रिलीज होता है ब्लड के अंदर। इंसुलिन कहाँ से निकलता है? फ्रॉम पैंक्रियास। कहाँ निकल के? ब्लड में। ब्लड से कहाँ जाएगा? पूरी बॉडी में। और कहाँ कहाँ पे चिपकेगा जाके? जहाँ जहाँ पे इंसुलिन के receptors होंगे वहाँ पे। What do you mean by receptor? Receptor means the protein or a group of proteins on the cell membrane. For example, this is your cell and this is plasma membrane which is enclosing all the internal structure which we call organelles. Are you getting? So suppose यहाँ पे चिपकता है इंसुलिन आके, तो this is the receptor for insulin. कहने का मतलब उस रिसेप्टर पे कुछ चीजें ऐसी है, रिसेप्टर पे कुछ चीजें ऐसी है जो कि पहचान लेती है कि ये इंसुलिन है। समझ में आ रहा है? ऑल फ्रेंड्स प्लीज। रिसेप्टर मतलब the protein on the cell membrane which have the ability to identify the chemical. समझ में आ रहा है? इंसुलिन रिलीज्ड फ्रॉम पैंक्रियास, it is hormone because insulin is directly coming in the blood without any pipe, there is no pipe, so it is hormone. Insulin blood में आने के बाद it will do journey throughout the body, it will जहाँ जहाँ blood जाएगा वहाँ वहाँ इंसुलिन जाएगा, पर इंसुलिन का असर कहाँ कहाँ में होगा, वहीं वहीं पे होगा जहाँ जहाँ पे उसके रिसेप्टर है। Clear? This is about hormone. Now why pancreatic juice और why our sweating अपना पसीना और why gastric juice are not hormone? Because they are not coming in blood. अपना पसीना ब्लड में आ रहा है क्या?
नहीं,
बाहर जा रहा है।
बाहर जा रहा है।
जो पैंक्रियाटिक जूस है वो कहाँ जा रहा है? सीधा पाइप के थ्रू इंटेस्टाइन में। पाइप मतलब डक्ट, DUT डक्ट, यानी पाइप। This is your this is the beauty of God. In same organ, God has given two mechanism. इस पैंक्रियास में अल्फा सेल भी है,
बीटा सेल भी है।
अल्फा सेल
ग्लूकागॉन
and this is
इंसुलिन।
But pancreas has two functions to release pancreatic juice and to release insulin. Insulin is released from beta cells. They are also called islets of Langerhans based on their scientists. The same organ is releasing liquid into the intestine, not in the blood. So that function of pancreas is called exocrine gland. And endocrine gland मतलब pancreas का वो हिस्सा जिसका secretion जा रहा है blood में। Clear? ठीक है?
Yes.
Now there are two types of hormones. One is local hormone, one is systemic hormone. The systemic hormone, see, both will be in the blood. If they are hormone, both will be released in the blood without the use of pipe or duct. Local hormone means there are two types, paracrine and autocrine. Two types of glands are there, endocrine, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Exocrine. They will release hormones. Distal chamber. This will without duct is required. यदि मेरे हार्मोन्स बराबर होते रिलीज मेरी बॉडी में बचपन में तो मेरी हाइट ज्यादा हो जाती। There is decrease in growth hormone in my childhood, so I am dwarf like Minal Batra. Directly in blood. A fast division. Glands means some cells which are able to release something in the body. Endocrine means directly in the blood, no pipe is required. Exocrine, duct is required, pipe is required. It has two types. Hormones which are released somewhere and they go to somewhere to show their effect. यहाँ पर रिलीज हुआ इंसुलिन और पूरी बॉडी में घूम रहा है तो ये कहलाएगा डिस्टेंट एरिया, डिस्टेंट हार्मोन। लोकल हार्मोन मतलब सिक्रेशन जहाँ पे हुआ है उसी सेल पे फिर से असर कर देगा। सपोज दिस इज द सेल, दिस इज रिलीजिंग हार्मोन, दिस इज सेल रिलीजिंग हार्मोन, these are hormone. If these cells again act on the same cell, this will be called autocrine, endocrine hormone. Auto means cell, खुद के ऊपर जहां से हार्मोन निकला यदि वो उसी पर असर करेगा तो उसको बोलेंगे autocrine। पर यदि यहां से निकला और वो असर करता है बाजू के नेबरिंग वाले